Hi, my name is Uche. I live in Sunset Park in Brooklyn, New York, and this is my 2022 Hyundai Kona electric vehicle. The savings I get from an electric car have been immense. My Jeep cost about 20 cents a mile to run. This costs about 6 cents a mile. When you add up how cheap the charger is overnight and you add up the SmartCharge incentive that I get every month, it is so cheap to run this car. I live in an apartment. I can't install my own charger, so I feel like even people who live in apartments in New York now have a feasible way to own an electric car. So when you add up the cost savings, the lack of maintenance, and now you've got these convenient charging solutions, then you get paid to charge at night, there's no reason not to buy one.